Hi, this is the Xperia 10. We now show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings, then tap to network and internet, click to internet section, and to activate Wi-Fi you should use the switcher. To turn it off you should click by the same way on the switcher. Here you'll see all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and enter the password. To see the password you should click here to the show password checkbox. After that just tap to connect button, wait a second, and now we could see that we're just successfully connected to this network. You could use more networks by the same way, enter the passwords, tap to connect, and after that you could switch between these networks, for example when you have the slow internet connection. Also we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel first, you'll see here internet icon, just tap on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it on by this way. After the activating you will see the networks, tap to see all if you want to launch full Wi-Fi settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.